it's helping people be more profitable because let's say that, by that question, is it still profitable, right? Is affiliate marketing still profitable? It's always going to be profitable, but it's going to be profitable by the strategies that you apply in your business, right? It's not going to be profitable just by asking a simple question, well, is it going to be profitable? No, it's going to be profitable by the strategies that you implement. Everything that works and makes money is behind a formula, which is the same thing as strategy. You must understand the formula that you are putting out there, right? So if you understand what the formula that works for you, you need to focus on that. And if you don't know what works for you, you have to find out what strategy you want to focus on first, okay? And when you learn these strategies, you can learn some really cool formulas on how to make things work better for you. So you can start making money with affiliate marketing. You see, when people ask me this question, it's kind of like, well, is affiliate marketing, still profitable? I mean, when I hear that question, this is how I answer it from my perspective. I make affiliate marketing profitable. I don't rely on trends or what people think. Okay? I make it profitable.
That's right.
Because I'm the one that's in control. Now, I'm not in control of the changes that happen as far as technology. I'm not in control of what happens with algorithms, but I am in control of what I do with my business.
That's fire right there.
Okay? So I can do passive marketing or active marketing or both. What do you think is going to work out the best? Active or passive or both? I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to answer that. Both. Both. I mean, why would you rely on one tactic when you could actually focus on both tactics, right? That will produce more of a result for you because now you're taking the action that you need to take so you can create the profits that you want to create, okay? See, when a question's asked like that, you got to take the bull by the horn and say, you know what? I can make it profitable. All I have to do is understand what strategy and formula I want to focus on and just do it. And fail forward as fast as possible, right? And then you know what works, and then you'll know what doesn't work. And when you know that, then you know how to make money on the internet.
Follow up on that actual answer, what you said. Richard Osborne has come back and says, Rich, I got to learn what to say to get some clients, which I'm learning from your inner circle. But I wonder what I got to do to stay consistent.
You have to really work on, and this goes back to that cliche thing, mindset, right? You have to work on your mindset. And you not reactively, but proactively. Normally, a lot of people, what they do is when they finally figure out like, oh, I got to work on my mindset, that's more of a reactive state. Don't wait for something bad to happen or something not to happen that you want to happen. Just do it now. But be proactive at it and work on your mindset, right? Like I told you earlier about emotions and thoughts. Well, how would I know that? Because I've worked and I study this stuff because I want to know why we do what we do. Why do we have bad habits? Why do we have good habits? And if people have good habits, why do they have good habits, right? I dove into that because I'm fascinated by that. And I want to learn about that, right? So I could recognize it. I can recognize it in people, right? And if I can recognize it in people, I can help people grow. I can give them an awareness to help them be better day by day, right? That's a great thing about the culture.